Alright, guys, we're in Sons of the Forest, and I've made
So
lots
now
of,
I'm in the forest.
yeah, he's in the forest, we've made lots of progress, and
Yup.
enemies have kept on coming, so that's why I'm trying to build my base. It's
Guys.
really
Oh.
glitchy, so I'm not finishing off the back over here.
Yeah, guys, this is the 6th time I just killed a turtle.
Oh yeah, he made a rain catcher, so I'll just show you the rain catcher right here. It might be a
Guys, this
little.
just scared me. Guys, guess what just scared me? Lightning, bro. That gave me a heart attack.
Oh yeah, the lightning, that kind of sucks, but oh, here's the rain catcher. Oh, you see that? You see that? Oh my god! What the hell? Get the hell out of here. I'm warning you.
Uh,
Hey, I'm warning you, buddy. With your 4 other friends, I'm saving. Oh my god. Oh my shit. Oh.
I'm legit cooking all my meat. Because, guys, I do need food.
This is
Everyone
a
needs
real
food.
fight. How you can't
Guys, I'm
quick
gathering.
switch. You can't quick
Guys.
switch. They just come at you.
I'm just gathering some wood because I do
Die.
need some wood.
Die.
And I'm gathering
Die.
food because I do need food.
Die! I threw it at him. I legit threw that at him. I don't care. I'm taking my thing back. But holy moly, did you guys not see the heads? Well, maybe not. They were like, guys, they were all, when I started this, I had the idea of, let's just finish my base. Holy crap, 4 of them came. Yeah, no, that's the thing. So we're later in the game, like really later. I had an idea of just, hey, why don't I pause right before day 7, right, and make a video? Well, turns out, no, I just kind of wanted to still stay here, and I guess they just came. But
Guys, I'm killing a cannibal.
that was insane. That's.
Guys, it's nighttime in my
guys,
game. I'm gathering some logs for my small cabin.
They're coming back. Alright, guys. Is it bow time? The bow sucks, guys. Don't ever get this. Unless you're, I don't know, a god in Fortnite or something. Oh, I got the stun baton.
Bro, I'm a god at Fortnite.
What happens if I run at him? He's scared. I have a stun baton.
Hey, Dominic, should I get it then? Because I am a god at Fortnite.
Well, if you can arrow them down. Where did my arrows go? Alright, there's one here. And probably one higher? Depends on, yes. Where are you? Wait, where is he as well? Hello? Oh, la, la, la,
Guys,
la.
I'm freezing cold in this game.
I haven't used my axe, but I heard it's, oh, guys, my stamina is low. Right, so what we're gonna do is I'm gonna go to sleep because I cannot regen stamina. Stamina? Wait, what? Yes, stamina. I have no clue how to say it. We're gonna go to sleep just so I can clear it out. It's gonna be, oh, it's nighttime and I hate it because you can't go to sleep exactly. Well, we're gonna save. We're gonna get a new save. We're just gonna, let's just remove some of these saves.
Found a dead turtle.
Day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, probably, and day 5.
Okay, I'm cold.
We'll just keep these saves.
I hate, guys, I hate when you get cold in the game. You're like freeze to death.
But, oh, and we need 2 things. So if you don't know stuff about this game, it's very annoying because when you go, I'm trying to look above my, like, under my monitor, but in this game,
Guys, I just ate burned turtles.
yeah, everything just kind of, I think, wait, is rotten stuff better? Wait, I need to see. Is rotten stuff still?
Hey guys, what's the point of making the water catch it if there's an entire huge lake beside me?
I don't know. Okay, yeah, burnt stuff is much better for you.
Then raw.
Yeah, no, rotten.
Guys, I'm burning to
Is
death.
someone attacking me? Cause I'm just hearing. Ooh, Nope.
Bro, this campfire shit.
Alright, so, alright, yeah, you're just
Hey
gonna,
bro, can I swear?
a little bit. Don't swear too much. So what we're gonna do, guys, is we're just kind of gonna try and axe it around, but this is kind of gonna be a little scary because we have, wait, is it two? Yeah, two people on the loose. No, three. Wait, is it two or three? I'm pretty sure. Yeah, it was two people because one of them I got from a stun baton. Also, Kelvin is really far away. He keeps, like, when I do this and I say get logs, he wanders off to somewhere I don't know. And kind of just leaves me here to die. You might, now this is a little hard, but, I don't know. Wait, what the hell?
Hey, forest developers, you better fix this bug in the forest.
I don't think they're
Legit.
gonna start. I don't think they're gonna update the forest anymore. I think they're only maybe gonna bug fix it a little bit.
Yeah, they should up. They should upgrade the freaking tree bug.
I think that's been in there for a while.
Cause like I hate the bugs. Legit, the wood flies into the sky and sometimes it just disappears.
Pretty sure that's been in there for quite a while now, but I'm not sure.
I'm burning. I'm burning.
You're a bird?
I'm on fire. I was burning. I was on fire, Dominic.
Don't know. So basically,
I'm not freezing to death
this is
today.
annoying because I want to chop down, but I also have to prepare for them. And I got a gun, so I'm ready if I can find ammo to it, that is. Because I lost all of my ammo, like, to a couple of dudes. Yeah, turns out that ammo, it says free slug shot, no, free 99mm ammo. And that is what they mean. That's only 3 bullets. So, yeah.
Guys, I just walked into the campfire again.
How do you just walk in straight to the campfire? Oh, I was close.
I'm gonna freeze to death, guys.
Now, just in case if they come back and they're planning on to do that, which I know they definitely are.
I have a movie cricket.
What did that do? Oh, guys, we're gonna need lots of this, because I
I'm
guess...
seeing things. The frick, Dominic. Am I seeing things? The entire island's flying.
What?
Entire island flying. The entire
I guess you
island.
can't do any crap with planes. Wait, let me check what you can do with planes. Alright, no, we need to switch the mode to this mode. The one that says, hey, this is what you're supposed to do, but I'm not sure if it works. Single step. Alright, we're supposed to get, I think that's a plane. No, I think that's a whole thing. Oh, that only works on foundations. Wait, would I need to make a ramp? Would I need to do that? I don't know if you can do that to such a tiny thing, but we're gonna try. We're gonna, well, what do I have? Oh, I have a pretty...
Hey, do houses warm you up? Cause it's cold outside.
Oh, hey. Oh, Kelvin goes around. I thought he just went up there. He goes around the entire river. So, just for you guys to know, I guess he decides to go around the river to where he knows cannibals aren't, even though he probably gets freaking bombarded by them. No, that's not
I
what
hate the
meant.
forest, legit. It's night. I take my words back, it's not nighttime.
Alright, so what we're gonna... Wait, oh wait, I don't think this is gonna work. A ramp is supposed to be bigger, a single step. There's nothing like this. I guess we're just always gonna have to jump up onto here. So screw you. And we have to continue building.
Okay. I don't know where to get food from.
Kelvin is also extremely helpful because he just knocked down a tree on the, like, literally really close. But for him it's really far because he can't cross rivers. You might not know, but yeah, you can't cross rivers. What the? Wait a second. That's not good. I have to... Well, I have lots of logs, so this shouldn't be too bad.
Hey guys, what's a deadfall trap?
It's a log that falls on the enemy when they get too close.
Like cannibal.
Yeah. When I say enemy...
Bro, I need some.
Wait, what?
Do you know any animal traps?
Bunny trap.
That's the only one.
Yeah, you can only catch bunnies. That's the only... Deers can go... Crocodiles and deers and boars, I'm pretty sure can go into, like, other traps. I'm pretty sure they can go into, like, the deadfall traps. And happy birthday
Can't they
trap.
go into the... Yeah, I was about to say that.
Yes.
I don't have enough, that's a lot. I'm going to the small traps. What is the leaf pile trap for?
Leaf pile trap?
Yeah.
Do you guys know what that is? Leaf pile trap?
Yeah, that's a crazy name. Guys, I see 10 turtles.
I see 10 turtle.
I see 10 noobs.
I see 10 noobs on the way. Oh, so turns out, I guess I'm stuck here.
Hey, Dominic, can you teleport into my game and give me some steaks?
Oh, it says, oh, hey, you're not allowed to do this. So, guys, I guess I have to destroy my
So,
whole
guys,
wall.
I'm going to the toilet. I'll be back.
He's like, so, guys. Oh. Oh, no. I just destroyed my whole thing just like that. Okay. Did I just duplicate all of that? Did you guys see? Wait, did I duplicate that? Wait, what? Didn't duplicate it. I had to have. That. Oh no, that's just because the other side as well. Alright guys, getting rid of our door. That's surely interesting. And making a huge mess as well while at it. I'm gonna take my time. I wonder... Oh, no, wait, what? Oh, you have to start from the... Wait. So I have a book. This. The wall, no, the door. You have to start with full logs. No way, come on, bro. You gotta start with full logs. Well, I guess we have a couple full logs here. Crap.
Yellow.
Am I not gonna be able to... Oh, wait. Oh, Oh, we got saved. By I don't know.
So guys, I'm gonna be playing Unturned instead of the Forza.
He just kind of switches games.
Yeah.
He's like, meanwhile, I'm just gonna switch the game. Okay, what? Wait, what is that?
I'm gonna play Among Us.
Oh, hell yeah. He's like, should I grass it?
Should I
not?
cry?
I'm gonna pause and go get some logs, so yeah.
AK-47, baby.
Alright, guys, we've unpaused, but this is not because of the base. This is because of this creepy dude, and we're gonna try and shoot him, but sadly, you can't shoot him in the river, which is real unfortunate. You know, I was kind of gonna plan, if I could, to just stay away and shoot him.
Bro, what the fuck?
Hey! Hello there. Oh, yeah. Oh, shite.
Are you not swearing?
Oh, oh, ah! He's like, you son of a...
Dominic, if you want cheat codes, you have to go to Unturned ID list.
Hello? Hey, can I shoot at you? Yeah, okay, thank
That's
you.
where all the...
Hey, I swear that I want to throw a grenade at you. But nah, I'm just instead gonna pull out a stun baton, huh? Or should I? Yeah, oh, he says you should eat meds before killing me.
Eat meds?
You eat them, you literally crunch them down. You literally go freaking open it like this. Just drop it on the floor. You know, like. Alright, just gonna
Hey
wait.
guys, there's a revolver in the Unturned game and it's called Ace.
Die!
The ID to
Yikes! Yikes! He's yikes. He's a yikes. Beat him to the floor with my stun baton that I'm not sure what it does. Behead him before he comes back to life. There you go, just gonna behead him. And a skin pouch. Aren't we just the best PvPers? No, I mean, I don't think that I... Yes, there's another guy. Yes, there's so many of them. I love this game. This is a score, baby.
I hate this game.
I'm saying freaking I love this game, and he's like, I hate it.
Oh,
Go for Heisenlos, you Heisenberg! Hi Heisenberg! Hi Heisenberg! Hi Heisenberg! Yes, a skin pouch, dude. Is he gonna come over and like see that I just dismembered his friend? Try to just dismember his head, bro. Just murder him! Murder him! Oh, hey, that's a nice, beautiful river that I just did not die. Hey, where did I go? Where did you go? Where did you go, son?
There's the revolver at.
Kelvin is kind of trapped, so. Oh, that is him! Yeah. Oh, don't tell me it's another one of the strong guys. Wait, guys. Alright, I'm gonna pull out my stun baton. I'm gonna pull out my stun baton on him. Because I think... Don't resurrect him! Don't try to! Don't even try. So, okay. It's... Oh, you're gonna get up now when I freaking... Oh! He did revive! Guys, they can revive. Unless that's just a different one and they ganged up on me. Maybe I'm gonna take some meds. Okay, I'm gonna take a flare. Where did he go? What do flares do? I see you. Oh, let me just pull out my lighter. How do you light them? How do you murder him brutally? Oh! Is that your leader, son? Yeah, guys, I'm saving and then I'm gonna prepare for a battle of a lifetime. I hope skin pouches, if any of you guys know what the loot of the skin pouches are, then if there's meds in it, actually there is, I've seen someone get meds. I'm just gonna open it.
Hi, Vehicle.
Yes, we got meds immediately. Dude, we got snowberries, I don't know what they are. I saw what was in them. I saw, oh, there was nickels.
Nickels.
What?
I said nickels.
I'm gonna pop a med. It's not like a med kit. I guess we need to, if we want a time bomb, which, I mean, I meme, yeah, I meme, guys. So, I don't actually have a really good weapon. I have a crafted spear, and I would say that's my only hope weapon. Yeah, buddy. Are you coming along with me?
Yup, this is how you get the vehicles. It's a police car, baby.
Kill yourself now! I'm literally shaking because I don't know where the other guy is. And guys, I know he can murder me because that's the gold face, gold sickle guy, if I'm pretty sure. If I know it. That's the dude. I don't think it's worth it cooking the bodies. It's too hard to keep track of. Unless you get like one arm. Then I'll just throw him in the water. Yeah, the gold face, gold sickle dude. That's who I think it is. That's just because I killed one guy. I was focusing on the base. I was actually, and now I am doomed. I don't know. Should I even focus on the base, or should I focus on murdering the whole civilization of cannibals? I got the high ground, Anakin.
Hell no, I ain't. Guys, I just drove my car into the water.
Someone gift me, please. Nah, I'm just kidding. I'm gonna beg for a gift. Someone.
Gift you what?
Someone give me a good game in the comments. This is a nice game. Throw him in the water. Hey, that's a scared Kelvin. Dom7888. No wait. Wait, no. Well, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, that's my. That's the username I signed up with, so it didn't keep that.
Hey Dominic, I'll buy your game if you tell me your password. Your password to Steam. I'll gift you a game.
I just think it's a scam, guys. I don't know. Maybe.
It's totally not Rust.
I don't know. Okay, should I? I don't know what to do, because this, it looks like I have to build around the rocks, but it's like, no, you don't. So do I not build it, or do I build it? That's the question I'm asking myself. Probably gonna, yeah, we're gonna end kinda soon, but like, alright, what the build? What on earth do I do? I should definitely try and like, no, not this. Just throw this. You know what? Let's see if I can throw a log at the enemies. Is that? I'm not sure if that would work against the enemy.
Guys, I'm deleting every single game on Steam.
This is crazy. Space
Because
crazy.
I need space for GTA.
Ooh. Yeah, whenever you start deleting mass games because you need enough room for just that one game.
Yeah, it's 101 gigabytes.
Oh my, what the hell?
For GTA Online.
Oh, GTA. Unreal.
Why do you barely even play Raft anymore?
You just kind of quit.
Because that world where we spent on took forever to make.
He's running away. I think he's telling everyone else. To be continued. Nah. We're not gonna do that just yet. Until I find a body. Yeah, just eat the mystery meat. What can go wrong?
I'll be back. I'm going to the toilet.
Hey, oh, it was rotten, not burnt. See that? Because the burnt ones are really good for some reason. When you have burnt ones, I don't even want rotten meat. I want a burnt something. I want something burnt, real burnt. Guess you can't make it. Alright guys, we're gonna eat the energy bar. It's gonna help our energy. It's just a Snickers, guys. It didn't help at all. When is that? Wait, what the hell? When is that water? Yeah, when is the drinkable water appear? Is this never drinkable water? Oh, does it not work, Sonny boy? Whoa, you're sitting on the chair. Oh! This is a to be continued scene. This is a to be continued scene. Hey guys, you wanna do a to be continued thing? You know, one of those really cool to be. Oh! Do you see that? Baby boy. Baby boy. I got a bow, son. An arrow to. I've got a bullet for you! To be continued. Nah. I know you guys want to see me murder this totally innocent, not rage-inducing murderer. This fat ass head. Oh, yeah. These fat ass murderers. You trying to now. This is my private domicile, and I will not be harassed. This is not a to be continued scene because we still need to finish up my. Oh, you're kidding! Oh my! You come here, you son of a bitch! This is my private domicile, and I will not be harassed. Oh my god, I just murdered the hell out of that civilization. I'll be surprised if they even exist after that. Alright, what's in the skin pouch? We're just gonna... hey, look at this. Nickel! Oh, that was about to be so cool. I was about to say time bomb? No, this is like nowhere even close to the time bomb. Guys, if you are enjoying this video so far, then make sure to like, crike, and the bike. And like, crike, and send me your bike. Marius. You missed.
Hello, this is my uncle.
You missed Mayus's uncle. Tell Mayus that he missed a freaking huge fight. No joke, there was tons of them, and I just kept on fighting.
Tons of what? What 90 games are you playing?
Yeah, I'm playing Sons of the Forest. Pretty new 90s game.
Oh, okay. I'ma go call him. Oh no! Wait, I'ma tell him to lick off my seat now because I have diarrhea all over it. I'll be back.
Okay, let's have a fight, buddy.
Hey, I'm back. Why is there diarrhea all over the seat?
It was your uncle. It was your uncle. I promise.
It's perfectly shiny and clean.
This is my private domicile, and I will not be harassed on it.
Did you finish the video?
No, because I am still videoing. I'm still standing. Yeah. Oh, you mother fruffer. I'm just humping the rock. He's like, what the fuck are you doing humping the rock? He blocks? He's a block master, but he's a Quake Pro, bro. Die! This is my private domicile, and I will not be harassed.
What the hell's a domicile?
Home, probably. Home, probably. Alright, guys, you want to save right here, and we're gonna call it quits. His
Hey,
uncle got
can
to
you
him.
shush over there? What?
His uncle got to him. Alright, guys, this is me.
Hey, bro, why do you have diarrhea on the floor? My entire carpet's brown.
Alright, guys, this is me signing off for the Sons of the Forest video. If you want to see more, make sure
guys.
like and
Sorry.
subscribe. And
Hey, wait, before you hang up, end the video. I have enough to get GTA, like gigabytes. I have 107.
alright, so this is us. So this is me signing off. And if you want to see more, make sure to like, subscribe, and give me all your money. Bye.